Okay, so the first product I'm going to show you is an oil absorbing sheet. Okay, you can buy this pretty much at any pharmacy. I get them from Amazon. These are made of bamboo, so it's actually more eco-friendly this way. But this is actually what's going to help you start restoring the scalp at first and make sure that the products come in direct contact with the scalp or with the hair if it's necessary. Most of you, if you use one of these sheets, okay, you just pull it out of the packet. If you use it in an area that is very oily, what's going to happen is, and I'm gonna try to do it, but of course my face is not really oily anymore, or my scalp. But if you do it, you're going to notice that the paper is going to have a bunch of little dots on it, okay? Mine is a little bit just on the nose a little bit. I'm sweating just a little bit. So maybe it's also picking up a teeny tiny bit of that. But the whole point is for you, before you actually wash your face or your scalp, you want to be removing the majority of the oil that is liquid that is produced by the skin, okay? And in hair loss, what I find is that the majority of people actually do have a very oily scalp. And so this product can help you start minimizing the use of shampoo and extend the time in between the shampooing. And I'll explain a little bit the reason why this works. So let's say that you have an oily scalp and you have short hair. So the first thing you want to do, everything that we want to do is to actually be directed directly at the scalp, okay? The hair is going to start behaving differently when you use the product, but we want everything to actually make it into the scalp. So if you have an oily scalp, the first thing that I want you to do is take a sheet and start pressing directly into the scalp and into the front line, okay? And you're gonna notice that there's going to be a little bit of oiliness. In this case, this is probably a little bit of sweat as well. The paper does remove the majority of oil, but it can also do a little bit of water because it's a paper. So that's normally what it's going to look like if you have a really oily scalp, okay? And then you're just gonna partition the hair and continue doing that along the entire top of the head, where most people are very oily. Okay. Some of you may need to use 2 or 3 sheets to be able to achieve like a clean scalp, and you're gonna notice that it's not gonna be as shiny. This protocol, of course, works really well also for people who have a little bit of, when they're already completely shaven, okay, and you're thinking of doing scalp micropigmentation. These are exactly the same products that I recommend.